Hi, my name is Zane Cozens, and I'm standing for the role of Mayor in the Taupo district. First, there will be affordability. Currently, our debt's at $237 million, and our interest payments are $11 million a year. That's not sustainable. I'd reorientate council back to its core services, rein in wasteful spending, and run the organisation like the business that it is. Secondly, will be social cohesion. I think that everyone can understand in the past few years, we have lost the ability to communicate openly and freely with each other. This has been caused by social media, a lack of transparency and accountability, misinformation. I would seek to bring everyone back to the table where each voice has the same volume and value as the next. Because I'm a people person, I have integrity, I have drive, I have a hard work ethic, I believe in transparency, being accountable. I also believe in teammanship, and I'm a strong leader. And without leadership, we can't create a vibrant future for our people and our communities. I also have a 100-day plan, which I'll implement on day one. Affordability. With rate rises set to increase the rate of 3 times the rate of inflation for the next 9 years, we are beating ourselves into the poorhouse. We have some hard decisions to make as the district. So line by line, we need to go through the books, rein in the wasteful spending, seek external funding streams to ensure that our district remains affordable and attractive for young families to raise their families here.